Today we're in Monkton, Heathfield to see this wonderful 3-year-old 3-bedroom terrace property. It's had upgrades from the current owner and the house builder. You're going to love it. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.